Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Wings Elevate Neckband Wireless Earphones. The front side of the packaging is very simple. You've got the image of the earphones along with one key feature being mentioned, that is, this thing uses Bluetooth 5.0. On the left side, you've got nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. And on the right, you've got a couple of features being highlighted. First being that this offers up to 10 hours of playtime. Then you've got Bluetooth 5.0, which we've already seen. It has a fast charging battery. The silicone on it is smooth. That gives it a nice finish. It uses metallic earbuds, so that's sort of durable. On the back side, you've got a little note regarding the product. Aside from that, you've got the manufacturer's contact information, and that's about it. Let's go ahead and unbox the product. Inside, you've got a couple of documentation as well as accessories. So the first one is a warranty card. This gives you exactly the details of how you can go about claiming warranty should you need it. On the back side, it also gives you a little offer or scheme which gets you free Ghana subscription provided you complete the registration step. Then you've got the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate your device. Then you've got replacement ear tips. These are usually in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on your earphones. So you can see you've got the large ones and the small ones. Then there's the charging cable. The Wings Elevate uses a micro USB interface, which you can see over here. And on the other end of the cable lies a USB Type A interface. The cable length is about, you could say, 30 centimeters. And finally, you've got the neckband earphones. It has a very smooth silicone finish, which is one of the features that they had highlighted. Then you've got the control pods on the right-hand side of the neckband. You've got a little opening with the micro USB interface inside it. This is what you will use for charging the device. Then you've got 3 buttons, 2 of them to manipulate your volume levels, and the center button to answer calls or cut calls, and to play pause music. At the bottom, there is a small opening for either an indicator LED or for the microphone. Then the earbuds are also magnetized, so this makes it easy to organize and keep them together. And you also got these additional wings, silicone wings, that give you a more secure fit. And the body is also made using metal. So that's it for the unboxing of the Wings Elevate Neckband Wireless Earphones. Thank you for watching.